Welcome to this training video on how to create a quote in the new ProDos. First thing you'll do is go to the contact screen and then find the contact you want by clicking on the Find Contact, typing in the relevant details, press enter, and now we're ready. We found the customer we want. We can now go to Create Document, New Quote. Once we're over here, it's putting all the contact details for the company. You can choose the various staff in the company by using the scroll button here. Okay, then you choose the associate. Obviously your own name will be there. The next part will be the type of quote. Now there are two main parts. The core product, which is basically products from the Advantage catalogue, but then you've also got product in database. These are ones where you're just going to do manually from wherever you're getting the product from. Whichever case it is, the first thing you'll do is click on New Product. You will then, if it's product in database, put in the reference for the product, and you'd put in product details of that product. Now what I suggest is this is just the basic product details here, just filling out this one box, no returns, not going beyond it. Just, as I said, the basic stuff. If there's extra information for printing options, options for the product, or actually what we sometimes call, as it says down here, romance line, put it in here, because you can put in lots of returns down here and it'll all fit in. Okay, the next thing we suggest you do is select the supplier for this product. We suggest you do it here in the quote level, so that if you do then process it to an order, it will take that information through, and all you have to do is click on select supplier, start typing in the company name. Once it comes up, choose it, and that's it done. That's now in there ready. The next part now is to start putting in your quantity breaks, the unit of sale. You start putting in the cost prices. Okay, so that's the product cost, that's the setup cost, and that's the delivery cost. You can manually enter in the unit prices here, or you can now use the percentage button on the right hand side, and it will automatically put in the figures for you. Then if you're adding another quantity, you'd click on the plus and you'd put in 200 or whatever it might be, and go through putting the figures in as before, just going along. You'll see it automatically has put down the setup cost. It doesn't do delivery because obviously with more quantity your delivery costs have probably gone up. Okay, again you can then put in the figures here so that it will actually put the percentage in, and there's your new figures. You can have up to 5 quantities per product and 9 products per quote. The next thing that you do there is to put in the type of artwork, the delivery, the romance lines I suggested. The bottom lines down here are more for your information, and the last thing you do is import the picture directly into here from either your computer or from the web, wherever you want to put it in. Okay, I don't have any images in this because obviously it's just demo data. If there's an additional product, you would then click on here and click on new product and build it up as we did with the first one, and instantly, as you can see, that there'll be a product 2 here, product 3, etc along here, so you can see at a glance without having to click on the tabs how many products per the quote. You also have what we call an overview button, which is a complete line list view of all of the quantity breaks and products within that quote. Finally, before we go any further, I suggest you put a follow-up date in there and set the reminder so that it does come back and remind you. Once you've done this, you can then preview the quotation, and from here the usual sort of sender's email or PDF it or print it. The other thing to bear in mind is you can also choose a slightly different currency for this if you wanted to. At the moment this is just a basic currency. I wouldn't suggest use it because it doesn't do a rate on here. We are looking to give you training on how to do an overseas quote if you need it, and I suggest perhaps, if you are going to be doing one at that time, give me a call and we'll go through it. Thank you for listening to this, and I hope it's been beneficial.